You looking for the search?
Yeah.
That way.
Thanks.
Are you, you're the reporter Red from St. Louis?
Well, that was fast. Gotta hand it to Wingap. You guys do gossip like nobody else.
It's because this place is so totally dead. That's awful. Anyway, better get going if you want to catch up. Anna and Natalie in our nothing town. Could happen to any of us.
Emma. Yeah? You've been around, though. Why haven't you said hello?
But now we can be sisters. Mama says you were incorrigible.
I bet she does.
I'm incorrigible, too. Only she doesn't know it.
You're in here.
Thank you, girls.
Thank you.
Bye, girls. Bye.
Bye.
I was here when it happened.
Did he see who took her?
The woman in white.
Easy. There's no woman in white, Miss Brinker. Trust me, it's a man did this.
Gonna bring me some bacon? Oh, what's the matter, John?
Oh, get that little pig.
Snatch it. Pretend it's a little girl. Sit down. Sit down.
Go on now. Party's over.
They do, love me. They'd do anything for me. I just ask, and they're my besties.
Here, take this.
Dora doesn't know about you. But I do. I can tell. You hate this place like me. But you love dead girls. Couldn't stay away.
I'm here for the paper, that's all.
You weren't curious
I've been kidding.
about me. If you have a boyfriend, want one
Sometimes.
for them. You can practice on me if you want.
Oh, you seem to be doing a pretty good job taking care of yourself.
Oh, I've never had a sister.
What are you wearing?
I was, just playing dress-ups with Kelsey and
You are not to be outside this house after curfew. Never.
I was safe.
That is not for you to decide.
Well, you let Camille do it.
Excuse me?
You think bad things didn't happen to little girls when she was my age? I know they did. And you let
And
Camille...
look what happened to her. You need to understand your sister does not see herself in a good light. It's caused her difficulty. You need to be careful with Camille. She is not someone to be admired.
What difficulty?
No. You are not safe around her. Do you understand, sweet? Do you understand?
We're not. I mean, you're the same age as Natalie and Ann.
Would you have gone if you were me?
Yes. But I was stupid and you're not.
And I'll be sure I'm safe. Like you coming with me. Dick. How's it going, Dickie boy?
Good. How you doing?
I'm good. Yes, car.
Knock it off. Look, that's enough. Okay.
You gonna hit me?
Yeah, you want me to?
Huh? Be dangerous. Be dangerous, like Mama said. You could kill me right here, and you know what? Dickie boy still couldn't figure it out.
Emma, go home.
Go.
All right, go home, okay?
Have fun. Have fun, Camille. Nolan!
Don't be so shy.
Bye, Camille.
I got a beer with your name on it.
Want to see something funny? This kid at school, JC, came up with a crazy meme.
Camille.
What?
Don't tell Mama.
Let's take a break.
I don't think he liked it.
Shut up, Jodes. What do you know?
He's a freaking weirdo anyway.
Takes one to know one. My mama says all of history was written by men, so of course they're gonna make themselves look good.